Good morning, student. Today we will start new lesson, that is probability. A very simple lesson. Probability means what? It is a total lesson based on games. Okay. Probability means possible result. Possible result means what? For example, we are playing so many games. We are tossing the coins when we have to play any game. Okay. Head and tail is there. Means when we throw that coin, we don't know what is come, head or tail. Means two possibilities are there, either head or tail. Like these possibilities that are known as probability. Probability means possible outcomes, possible results. So this is the new lesson for you. So very simple lesson, easily you will get out of marks for this lesson. 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark question all asked on this lesson. So student, they are getting good marks on this lesson. So see carefully, listen carefully and write all information in your notebook. So we'll see the exercise 2. Now here they given some questions. See here, for example. So now here, for example, see here, coins. This is head, this one is tail. Okay, means so here there are how many possibilities? Either head or either tail, means here two possibilities. Okay, when we toss the coin like this, how many students are there? That is depend on this. Second activity, suppose we have taken, ask each student toss the same coin. Means if two coins are there and we toss that at a time, so what then possible result come? Either both are head, either one head, one tail, either one tail, another head, or both are tail. Means how many possible result come when two coin toss? 4. When one coin toss, 2 results. Okay. Then like that outcomes, that result different come. Not 1 is 2, then 2 is 4, and then 3 is 6. No, that is different. Like that. One more is there. You know the dice. Already you place the game. Okay. To throw the dice on that dice, 6 spaces are there. On that 6 spaces, some marks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. When we throw, we know only one result come. Either 1 come, either 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means how many result can come? 6 result come when one die is thrown. So these are the games. On this game, they ask some example. So for this, we have to do some experiment. That experiment is known as random experiment. These definitions you have to write in the your notebook. Okay. See the first definition. Random experiment is what? The experiment in which all possible results are known. Means we know what possible results come in advance. For example, we toss the coin. We know either head or tail. Not other than head or tail that result comes. So we know that result in advance, but none of them can be predicted. Means we can't say that is surely what will become with certainly, and there is an equal possibility for each result. Equal possibilities, either head, either tail. The results is known as a random experiment. Means this definition you have to write in your notebook. Random experiment. So you have to do the experiment, and what the result come, that is the that from that experiment. So it is known as random experiment. Okay. So next definition come outcomes. Result of a random experiment. This is also you have to write. Result of a random experiment is known as outcome. Means when we throw the coin, suppose head come, that is what? Outcome. If tail come, that is also outcome. Like this, you have to see that result. Okay. So these are known as outcomes. So many games are there. Suppose we take cards. We know how many cards in that one in one box is 52. Okay. Then 26 red, 26 black. In 26, 13 is like this shape. That is heart shape, heart cards. 13 is like this diamond. In both are red. And black is what? 13 club cards and 13 spade cards. Means 13, 13, 13, 13. These are total 52 cards in a one box. Okay. So using this also we have to see the some games. Now another one is equally likely outcomes. For example, if a die is thrown, any of the number from this 1 to 6 may appear on the upper face. It means that each number is equally likely to occur. Okay, equally likely occur. However, if a die is so formed that a particular face come up most often, then that die is biased. In this case, the outcomes are not likely in occur equally. Means that should become equally likely outcomes. Okay. So next point from this, these are the parts you have to write in your notebook. Okay. So on this one very simple exercise. This is also you have to write in the notebook. We will solve in a textbook. You have to write because these simple answers are there. And next exercise we'll see now. So now practice set 5.1. Now you know what is probability, what is random experiment, what is outcomes. Okay. Now how many possibilities are there in each of the following? Means what possibility? Like a coin toss, 2 possibilities. 2 coin toss, 4 possibilities, like that. Now here, first example, Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. Vanita decided to visit these places. What is Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Mathiran, Anandwan. Okay. So she want to visit. So what possibilities come? So you have to count places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here what you have to find? How many possibilities? Here how many possibilities come? 8 possibilities come. Either she come in Ajanta at a time, not 2 places, at a time only 1 place she can visit. So possible outcomes come, possible results come, possibilities come 8. Any day of a week is to be selected randomly. How many days in a 1 week? We know it is 7. Okay. So any 1 day, either Sunday, either Monday. Okay. Any 1 day come. Select 1 card from the pack of 52 cards. So how many results come? How many possibilities come? If you will take 1 by 1. So how many possibilities come? 52 card means 52 possibilities. So answer is 52. This is for 1 mark example. One number from 10 to 20 is written in each card. Select one of randomly. Maybe here some student they can do the mistake. They just see 10 to 20 means 10. No, 10 is also there. Means from 11 to 20 that is 10 and one more is there 10. Means how many possibilities are there? 11 possibilities are there. Okay. Total possibilities are 11. Either that is 10, maybe 11, maybe 12, maybe 13, like that. Okay. So this is very simple to find the possibilities. Now you know possibilities means you have to count 1, 1, 1 like that, 1 by 1. So how many possible results come from that experiment? Then next very important point come, that is sample space. Okay. Sample space means what? Total result you have to write in a set form. Here the definition first we will see. The set of all possible, see here, set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. Okay, this is the definition, means all the result you have to write. Coin is toss, you have to write head and tail in that set. Okay, so it is denoted by S or this letter omega. But generally we are using the letter S to show sample space. S indicate sample space, capital S. Each element of sample space, see these letters are important. This part also you have to write below the definition. Each element of sample space are called what? Sample point. Means see when we toss one coin, this is sample space. Like this curly bracket you have to write either head, either tail. You have to write each element using comma. Here all things written. The number of elements in the set S is denoted by n of S. N indicate number and this one yes. And set you have to write sample space like in this set form. And after in between two elements, sample point. These are the sample points. Okay. So comma should be there. Okay. So this is sample points. So now we'll see some example on this one. See one table we'll study now first, and then we'll see the next exercise. See, we know one coin is tossed. Random experiment. Serial number 1. Sample space. This is already we discussed. S is equal to S indicates sample space equal to. Means S is the sample space of which a sample point H and T, head or tail. So how many sample points are there? 2. 1 and 2. If 2 coin toss, then how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. This comma indicates it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many sample points are there? 4. So this is a die is thrown. How many sample points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is for you. Okay. This one you have to fill. Fill it. And what is that answer? Suppose here a card is drawn from a pack bearing number 1 to 25. So what is that? How many cards are there? 1 to 25. So what is here? 25. Okay. And here 2 dice are thrown. 1 die we know 6 result come. But if 2 die at a time thrown, either maybe 1 1, maybe 1 2, means 1 die shows 1, another is shows 1 or 2 or 3, means with the 1 here 1 2 3 4 5 6, maybe this result come. With the 2 again 1 2, another die is thrown like this. With the 3 like this, you have to write this all sample means possibilities, possible result. How many are there? 36 when 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Here a card is drawn from a well-shuffle pack 52 playing cards. Diamond, Jack, King, King. Total 13. Spade also 13. We know it is already we discuss about this. How many cards are there? Okay. Red also and black also. In red 2 types and black 2 types. All each having 13 cards. So now we'll see the example on this. Practice set 5.2. So first example, here you have to write what? Sample space yes means like this. Sample space you have to write and then N of S. So what is first example? See, 1 coin and 1 die. Means 1 coin and 1 die is thrown from this. Okay. So we'll see then example. What is the example? We know 1 coin means we head and tail, and 1 die means that is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Okay. So now if we have to write sample space, so what we have to take? Either maybe that is H1 means H and 1 come, means with the head H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 means what? Understood or not? This one. This is what? 1 coin with the head. Suppose with the head maybe from the die 1 come, 2 come, 3 come, 4 come, 5 come, 6 come with the head. And with the tail also same come. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. These are the possible results. So this is what we have written sample space. Now we have to write how many sample point in the sample space. This 6, this 6. How many? These are 12. Okay. So second example we'll see. 2-digit number, okay, are formed using the digit 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. Means we don't write the one digit two times. Okay. So now here we have to write the digit, two digits using 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So sample space. Very simple. See carefully. See the video again and again. You will get the idea. With the 2, if with the 2 we taken one digit, so 23 come, then 25 come. Okay. We not repeated any digit. Then with the 3, take this 2, 32 and take this 5, 35. Finish. Then with the 5, what come? 52 first and then 53. Check it. Any digit is remain. Not a single digit, means in a single point the digits are repeated. 23. Opposite of that 32. Come. 25. Then 52. Okay. 35. 53. Means all numbers, 2 digit possible numbers come from these 2. So how many sample points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So like this, some more example remain in that practice set. So I have to see, are you able to solve that or not? Okay. So just I will give the clue. This is third. And this is second. This is second, this is third. The arrow is rotated and this arrow is rotated from this to this. Okay. On the disk, find out which color it may stop. It is very simple. Here you have to write for sample space. In sample space, not a color should not be repeated. Okay, means that one color come one time. So how many possibilities come? You have to write in a sample space using curly bracket. Now you know how to write. Okay, and then how many sample point? N of S you have to write from this figure. Write this example and solve that. Then third one, in the month of March, this is the month of March 2019, they are given what they want. Find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. Means you have to write name of that day, which is multiple of 5. We know 5 multiples start from 5. 5 ones are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Means in what numbers come up multiple of 5. And in that number, which day is there? Suppose 5. Where is 5? Which day come? Tuesday. Means you have to write first Tuesday. Then what the multiple of next one 5? You have to write that name of day. Means you have to prepare one set on that day and then write sample point. Okay, number of, yes, how many sample points are there? And this is using this. See, from road safety committee of 2 form 2 boy B1 B2 and 2 girls shown the letter G1 G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. You have to complete this activity. Committee of 2 boys. Means only 2 boys are there. Committee of 2 girls. You have to write that. 2 girls should be there. Here 2 boys means this one. 2 girls are using this letter. And now second is what? Committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. For example, this one B1 Z1. With B1 both girls. One time G1, one time G2. Then with the boy B2 another one you have to write. Then total sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All this again here you have to write which group come here. For example, here I will solve 1. Committee of 2 boys. Already they given 2 boys B1, B2. Like that girl. Then 1 boy, 1 girl. 1 boy, 1 girl. 1 boy, 1 girl. But every time different one. Okay, not the same pair should be there. So you have to find and you have to complete this activity. You have to complete tomorrow on Wednesday. No? Okay, 3 periods are there. This is for first 2 period. Again, afternoon session, I will send another video on the next point of a probability. Okay, thank you.